Good morning. Back with another video. Um, this again another follow up of the last video. I missed trading yesterday. I did analyze the market, but I missed trading yesterday due to other commitments. So wasn't able to do a video. So today I'm just doing a video from the 4th. I think my video was on the 4th. On Euro USD. So we're gonna dive straight in. Okay, so on the chart, let's go to the dailies. Let's have a look at what happened. Actually, let's review, go back to where we were. So we said we were hovering around this area. We gapped up, came down, pushed up towards this high, and it swept this high. And then we were consolidating around this area where I said it was going to have a bull flag. I then, I predicted price to come down. I thought price will come down here again before sweeping upwards, but it didn't. Price came up and then it broke past this area, came back down. When I saw this wick here, I said, yeah, definitely get in. And I got in. I knew price will sweep this once. I had a feeling it was probably going to sweep this again, but I thought it will come down a little bit lower. So I got in here at, where is it? 104,859. Sorry, 104,859. I decided to get in here, and my take profit was above this high here, which I did say, simply because, let's go back down to the 1 hour chart. On this area, I did say in my previous videos that price has been hitting this area here, so there was resting with liquidity above this area. I had a feeling it was going to break. It just couldn't get enough momentum to break. So what price did will come down, grab liquidity at the bottom, and then push straight up with even more momentum. So that is where we are. So that was a good trade. Yeah, there it is. Good trade there. Good 2-to-1 risk to reward here. And yesterday, let's put that back. Yesterday we started off. Where is it? Yeah. So let's have a look to see what's happened. So on the 1 hour chart, where are we now? So price has had a major push upwards towards this daily imbalance I have marked out here. So if we go onto the daily and look left, we can see that price has been consolidating around this area for a long time. It's in a downtrend here, broke through, took out this low, then broke back through here. So when I look through the charts and I see these two major candles here, stuff like that, these large push throughs, these large breakthrough candles, this kind of shows me that there's a lot of liquidity here. Like there's a lot of resting liquidity. So it takes a lot of liquidity, a lot of volume, sorry, to push through these areas. I marked out here, there's a daily fair value gap here, which is where this area here is currently. It could go up to this area, but I believe it should come down. So usually price would get to a certain point around here. Let's say it's a good point on a high before major news that pushes it straight back down to take a low. So I think it will mitigate this area here, come back to the area that it broke past. This is the hot area right here. And obviously it needs volume in order to do that. So where's the volume going to come from? So from my analysis, I look on the, let's see what's happening today. So today we have jobless claims that usually push the market. So we're looking for positive news for the USD. Positive news. Price doesn't always move on positive news. It's not always bullish on positive news. It can do anything. But for the fact that price is currently bullish at the moment, and needs to retreat, it will. I don't feel like price will continue upwards. I feel like price will come back down here towards this area here. Or what price could do is wait for the non-farm payroll, hover on consolidate, and then come down. But what I believe, initial jobless claims are going to be positive for the USD. Price should retreat down, mitigate, come around this area, and make a strong bullish move upwards. If we look on the weekly time frame here, we haven't broke past this area in a very long time. The last time we was at this area was July 2023. So what we could look for now is where price may retreat to. So if I go onto the 1 hour chart, let's go into the 4 hour chart actually. If I go into the 4 hour chart, all this area here, from here to there, this is the hot area. I doubt it's going to come back down. I think it's going to push past this area, but there is gaps here from there to about there, and there's another one there. So I feel like price will push past all this area here, come down here. It will retreat back down to this area. I don't think it's going to get too low. I know we do have this imbalance right here as well. So there's so many areas where it could come past. I just can't see price pushing any further as well. Another reason why is because I don't often trade crazily off the while I was using volume, but I just use it as a reference, a small indication. So as you can see, price is going upwards and price volume is pushing up in the gap here. This area here, price retreated slightly. You can see the volume went down, pushed up here. So this is the highest candle. Sorry, this is the highest bar, highest volume bar that we have here. But yeah, this is the area where you can see sellers kind of got back into the market. Since then, price has been pushing upwards, but volume is going down. So that shows me that bulls are running out of steam. So what I'm looking for today is sales. I am looking for price to retreat. The time where USD has its jobless claims will be coming out at 1:30 as well. So it's currently 6:35. So what I'm speculating is let's go for a short around this area. Usually I don't trade between 7 and 8, simply because that's when a lot of the manipulation is. Between 7 and 8, this is usually where the London market opens at 7:30, and I see a lot of manipulation around this area. It usually takes out old highs. So the high of the Asian market will be here, and let's see, high. So that's Asia high there. And if we go into the 5-minute chart, this is what I'm anticipating to be taken out here, right here, and yeah, for price to come lower. So let's just say, for talk's sake, price did come up here, and let's go back onto the 1 hour. Price to go onto the one, yeah. So let's just say price came up here, it wicked up. This is where I'm looking for. As soon as it wicks up into this, come straight back down there. If it closes above, then I'm not going to go for a buy. If it, sorry, I'm not going to go for a sell. If it wicks above, come straight into it. I go down to the 5-minute chart, and I see it retest underneath this area here. This is where I will be going for. My take profit will be here, right there. I can't see it going any lower. If I go back onto the daily chart, so this area, I can't see it retreating back down to this area, but it could do for the non-farm payroll, but for today, I don't see it come back down. I do see it hovering around this area right here. So that will be I don't often use fibs as well, but I just use it so as an indication. So from this low to this high. So this is 50%. It could come down into premium, which is here. I tend to get a bit less. I don't want to get the most, so I'd come slightly before, just so it fills my take profit. So that was what I'll be looking for. Let's see how it plans out. Again, this video is just my analysis, my review. I like to look back through my videos and to learn exactly where I'm going wrong. It's been 10 years since I've been in the market on and off. And I decided, you know what, let's just go straight into it, put my videos on because I like to write things down. But when I can listen back through my videos, I take it in, and especially I learn a lot more when I'm explaining things. So let's see how it plans out. I'll see you in the next video. Over and out.